Hey guys! Welcome to our new video today. We are going to do general cleaning in our house. Magulo yung buhok ko guys, pero at least hindi magulo yung bahay.
Galing na. Galing ng hokat
Guys, pawis na pawis kami kakalinis because we need to do this once in a month.
Dapat na every week eh. Pero yung general talaga.
Yeah, general cleaning guys. Kayo ba? Nag-general cleaning ba kayo? Pag yung mga magulang nyo nag-general cleaning, dapat tumulong kayo. Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan. Ako. I am dusting off the stuffed toys. Simple lang, but there are other things I'm probably going to do to help. Ang linis na ng carpet dito namin, guys. Hindi niyo makikita, but trust me, it's very clean. Ayan, guys, oh. It's so clean. Thanks to Mom because she cleaned it. Shout out to my mom because she is also my editor and my camera woman. My manager. Lawyer. Pero hindi naman nakita yung mukha. Guys, kwentuhan habang naglilinis. Tomorrow is my week of exams. So, wish me God bless, guys. Kasi mahihirapan na ako kasi fourth quarter. But I think my grades will still be maintained because I've been trying hard this quarter. Last quarter na to, guys. Hindi pa kami nagbakasyon. Ang swerte nyo naman, mga kabataan. Nagbabakasyon na kayo. Guys, trust me, ang daming ipis dun sa kusina. Because my dad is, cleaning in the kitchen. So, ang daming ipis. Tapos, meron pang, ang daming lumilipad. So, that is the hard work of cleaning. Pero, my hard work is studying and labada. This is not labada, but this is general cleaning. So, stay tuned for more labada videos, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, malapit na ako tapos. Pero meron bang After all of this, I have to study for my exam. Ay, hulog. Okay guys, tapos na ako sa paglilinis ng stuffed toys. Ma'am, ano pa? Pakita ko sa you guys. This is
Wala na.
My dad is cleaning out the ipis. Very hardworking, guys.
Nakamay ka ba?
Yes. Ito, ginagamit ko yung bagong microphone ko, guys. Pang vlogging na to.
Pero may mic.
Meron na akong vlogging tool for my vlogs. It is a mic. I'm so happy to get this. Para klaro na yung boses ko, guys.
Hindi na AI.
Look, my voice is not AI. Ano pa? Inom mo na tubig. Ay, wag ito. Malamig yan. Inom muna ako tubig, guys. Because water is therapy daw. Pag nag-break up yung girlfriend mo sa'yo, tubig.
Tubig naman ka dapat na.
O, diba? Water is therapy. Tubig. Nagwawalis ako, guys. Diba? Alam ko magwalis.
Ikaw na, ano bang gawain bahay na lang?
Yes.
Ayusin. Oo, walis na lang.
Yeah. Inaayos ko nga. Yes, mini house tour. General cleaning ng my house tour. Guys, ang swerte niyo naman, nagbabakasyon yung mga kabataan dyan. Yung school ko, we don't have bakasyon yet. Kasi meron pang exam. So, ang swerte-swerte niyo, guys.
Spend your vacation wisely.
Spend your vacation wisely. Go to the beach. Go on vacation on another country. Go to Paris. Pumunta kayo sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Basta don't spend it all on cellphone. Basta kahit ano lang.
My budget.
Magtambay lang kayo ng barkada nyo. Okay na yun. Yes. Pag nagbabakasyon kayo, linis naman kayo.
Linis muna.
Linis muna. Ay, wait lang. Ayan na dito. Kahit ano na lang dyan. Basta ka siya, okay na yun. May sombrero kasi yung mga stuffed toys namin, guys. Buti pa sila, fashionista. Ito yung mga stuffed toys ko, guys. Ayan po sila. They are, ang cute
Your
nila.
collection ng,
Yeah, collection ng mga stuffed toys. Stuffed toys lang, plushies. Yan, ang dami nila.
Kasi ikaw, mukha ka rin flashes, oh.
Talaga? So, I look small? I am not small. I am taller than my mom.
Look!
Yes! Mas matangkad ako. Maybe, magkasing tangkad na ako kay baka magkasing tangkad na kami ni Catriona Gray. Ang tangkad kasi ng mga Miss Universe, guys. Kahit Filipina pa. Yeah. Maybe someday, magjo-join muna ako ng Miss Dimyao.
Ah! Miss, ano muna, Miss Alimania. Miss Purok.
Wow, meron pang walis ting-ting. Pero nga.
May
Ay.
dagat.
May daga daw, guys! May daga! Anong gagawin dito? Sa dito?
Lagyan mo dyan.
Okay.
Sige, ikaw na.
Ako na.
Balance ha, balance. Ayan. After that,
Ay, wait. Ayan.
this one.
I'm setting the couch. Ay. Ayan, guys.
Okay, alam mo po. Dalawang red hot sides.
Dalawang head.
Baliktad, hindi ganyan.
Ay, ganito?
Baliktad tayo, yung zipper sa likod. Yan. Hindi, umusog mo pa sa base. Dito ba? Dito, para may space yung pillow.
Oh. If you guys can't tell, meron akong sipon. It's probably heard in the mic. Yung sipon ko, it's probably heard in the mic. Like na, naririnig yung sniff. Ay! Hulog. Ayun na, guys. Wow. Ayan na, guys. Yung sofa namin. Very nice and clean. Ayan po. Uy. Wait. Yung ano rin, yung isang sofa. Wait. Ayan na, guys. We are all set for the sofas. Huh? It's blue. Okay na to. Ito, guys. Next is, magmamap na tayo. Yeah. I'm not experienced in mopping. Shout out ulit sa mga kabataan dyan. May sabon ba to? Ay. Guys, hindi to talaga pang content. Totoo to. Promise. Yung paglalaba ko nga, totoo. Totoo nga. Ito pa.
Ano yan, ipis?
Ha?
Wala.
Okay guys, so tapos na kami. That's all for today and thank you for watching. See you next time.
Anong tapos? Tuloy pa natin yung paglilinis, besh.
Tuloy pa pala guys. Pero wala ng video. So that is all for today.